Folders have two purposes. The first is to provide a way for admins to organize forms. Looking at the folder area, we see that All is currently selected and all screens are visible. I have a folder for production screens. Clicking on it filters out screens that are not organized into that folder. Let's create a new folder. Click on the plus icon and name the folder. We'll call it Inspections and click Create. Our new folder has been created. Click on it and no screens will be displayed. Click All to bring back all screens. To organize screens into this folder, click the checkbox to the left of the name. Let's choose a few inspection forms. Notice that we now have access to an Organize button. Click it and move Inspections from the left column to the right by clicking on it. Then click Add Selected. Your screens are now organized into this folder. Folders also allow you to restrict screens to users and/or groups. Open the app and note the number of icons available. Back in the web portal, hover over Inspections and click the gear icon. Check the box to restrict user access. You may now choose a group and also individual users if needed. For this example, let's choose Inspectors from the group drop-down and click Save. Return to the app. My user is included in the Inspectors group, which now limits the screens that I have access to. Back in the web portal, notice that the folder next to Inspections is displaying a lock. Now that you have restricted a folder, all screens now need to be organized into folders and assigned to users or groups. Screens that are not organized into folders will not be visible to anyone on the app. Let's summarize with a visual diagram. In this example, the screens in the folder that are restricted to the inspectors and in the unrestricted folder will be available to all users in the inspectors group. The product inventory form will not be seen as it is not assigned to a folder. In the next example, users in the managers group will only see screens in the unrestricted folder. And again, the product inventory form will not be seen as it is not assigned to a folder. In the final example, John Doe, a single user that is not in the inspectors group, will have access to the screens in the unrestricted folder. John Doe will also have access to the product inventory if it is in test mode and John Doe is assigned to the test.